Welcome back to the channel with a new exciting video on the Industrial Revolution, transforming societies and economies. In this video, we'll journey back in time to witness one of the most significant periods of change in human history. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, marked a dramatic shift from agrarian societies to industrialized ones. It was a time of innovation, invention, and unprecedented growth. The introduction of mechanized production methods revolutionized the way goods were manufactured. Factories sprung up, powered by steam engines and later electricity, leading to mass production on a scale never seen before. The Industrial Revolution also reshaped social structures and urban landscapes. People migrated from rural areas to cities in search of employment opportunities, leading to the rise of urbanization and the growth of industrial centers. Economically, the Industrial Revolution transformed trade, commerce, and wealth distribution. It fueled the rise of capitalism, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors while also exacerbating inequalities between laborers and factory owners. Innovations such as the spinning jenny, steam engine, and cotton gin revolutionized industries like textiles, transportation, and agriculture. These advancements not only increased productivity but also laid the groundwork for further technological progress in the centuries to come. However, the Industrial Revolution also had significant environmental consequences. Rapid industrialization led to pollution, deforestation, and the depletion of natural resources, prompting concerns about sustainability and ecological balance. As we reflect on the Industrial Revolution, we're reminded of its enduring legacy. From its impact on global economies to its influence on societal structures, the environment, and the human condition, the Industrial Revolution continues to shape our world today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.